Good evening. This is Venus with No Mess. Welcome to my channel. If you like this content, please hit the like button. And some young ones that are on here, like I said, guys, common sense is so important. Now we have this judge that got caught, yes, urinating in public. He resigned. But I'm gonna let y'all look at a couple of those videos. They got so many of them out here. And we're gonna talk about it. Because when I said we got some people who just don't have no self-control and no common sense, I mean, because she went out drinking. She knew better. She's a judge. She knew better. So guys, I'm gonna show you these two, and I'm gonna talk about it. Hold on a second.
Newly obtained police body cam video shows a Yavapai County Superior Court judge being cited for urinating in public, and also her husband arrested for allegedly interfering.
12 News journalist Gabriella Becerra is in studio with the details behind the video. Gabriella?
Well, Mark Tram, Kristyne Schaaf-Olson almost immediately resigned from her position as judge pro tem, a position she was first appointed to 2 years ago. Now, the video starts with an officer approaching Olson after he says she appeared to have lost her balance and fell over in a bush.
What are you doing?
A Yavapai County Superior Court judge caught with her pants down.
Why? What are we doing?
For an Uber.
This is disgusting.
I'm waiting for an Uber.
Okay, this is unacceptable. Where's your ID?
Just a few hundred feet away from the courthouse, a Prescott police officer stopped Kristyne Schaaf-Olson for public urination. It was just after 1:30 the morning of October 4th, and Schaaf-Olson appeared to be heavily impaired as she sits up on the bench and pulls her pants up.
Are you her husband?
Yep.
Okay. Can you hang out over by the cab for me?
Nope. Come on.
Yeah, you can, because I'm conducting an investigation.
For what?
Because I just saw her puking and urinating, exposing herself to several people.
That wasn't her.
The video shows her husband, Jason Olson, refusing to walk back to the cab, and then officers arrested him on charges of interfering and resisting arrest.
5:15, we're fighting.
I'm not fighting. I can't breathe.
Just take these.
After her husband was detained,
That one for you.
Schaaf-Olson seems to tell officers what she does for work.
My name is Judge Kristyne Olson.
But it's not acknowledged, and she's later cited and asked to go home.
So you're going to have to sign it, promising to appear in court in about a month, all right?
The following Monday, Schaaf-Olson resigned from her position, saying in part, "My resignation comes after careful consideration of current physical, medical, and family circumstances. The Yavapai community deserves and has judges who are steadfast in their commitment to serving Yavapai County. Considering current events in my life, I believe it would be difficult to honor this commitment."
What are you doing? What are you doing? Why? What are we doing?
For an Uber.
This is disgusting.
I'm waiting for an Uber.
Okay, this is unacceptable. Where's your ID?
It's my husband's wallet. Walk that way.
Spell your last name.
Wilson.
You gotta spell it.
O-S-O-N.
O-L-S-O-N?
O-N.
Are you her husband?
Yep.
Okay. Can you hang out over by the cab for me?
Nope. Come on.
Yeah, you can, because I'm conducting an investigation.
For what?
Because I just saw her puking and urinating, exposing herself to several
Nope,
people.
That wasn't her.
Okay, you can go by the cab or you can continue to interfere with the investigation.
Come on, baby.
Okay,
No.
last chance, go over to the cab.
No.
Okay, well, then you're detained.
Stop.
You can't do this.
I'm gonna throw you on the ground if you resist. I gave you several chances and you don't want to listen.
We have a cab. There, baby.
Minimum, you're getting a ticket.
My name is Judge Kristyne Olson.
I'm back, guys. Young people, when I tell you that you're not alone, I mean you're not alone. Now, this is what's a judge. Went out drinking, out of control. I guess she had to go to the ladies' room. And she probably was too drunk to do anything, so she decided to release her water right there. Was it wrong? Yes. Because number one, she's supposed to set an example. She should have not been drinking out in public in the first place. If she's going to go out and drink, she should limit her drink. She shouldn't be out there drinking where she cannot control herself. So that was wrong. But she did went out and resigned, which that was the correct thing to do. But her husband, you see how he stepped up to protect her. And guess what? She got a ticket, but he had to go to jail. So this should be a lesson for you young people. Please be careful when you decide to go out and drink. Know your limit. And I'm talking about the young ones, like in their 20s. Teenagers, you need to refrain from that. You don't need to drink at all. Make sure you're old enough to drink. And make sure you have common sense to know when to stop. This is really sad. But this is a judge. So that's why I want to talk to the young ones. Let them know that you're not alone. You're not the only one making mistakes. Older people make mistakes too. But you learn from your mistakes. Okay? So this one is not discipline. This one is self-control and this one is common sense. And this judge was not using that one bit of it. She had too much to drink. And what happened was, and her husband went to get a cab or get someone to take them home, and guess she couldn't hold it. So now she got down and she released her water. So this is the price that she's gonna have to pay. I hope she go get some counseling and she learned from this. So I just wanted to bring this on here, guys. This is the judge, and if you want to review it, go back, check it out again. But yes, Arizona's judge got caught right there in front of everyone. So until next time, guys, please use self-control and common sense. Because common sense has played a big part in everyone's life. So young people, stay alert. Use common sense. Until next time, I'm going to say peace out.